Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you looking to model topography for your project or architectural design? If so, watch until the end to learn how. Today, we will model 3D topography from a 2D AutoCAD file in Rhino. First, we'll use contours to create cross-sections. The more cross-sections you generate, the more details you'll achieve. Make sure to enable the Group Objects by Contour Plane option for this next step. Next, we'll use the Curve Through Points feature to draw a curve connecting several points. Extend the curves so that they are all the same size. Then, use the Rebuild Curve tool to adjust the control points of the curves, setting the point count to 400. After that, we can utilize the Loft feature to create a surface from the curves. The main part of the topography is now ready. In the next step, we'll draw a base for the topography to enhance its appearance and clarity. For the following step, I will use contours to create sections of our topography, which I plan to use in technical drawings in AutoCAD. Another interesting feature of Rhino is the clipping plane. This feature allows you to view live sections of your model from any direction. Finally, export the sections into AutoCAD for your project. If you're interested in my future projects, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more videos. See you in the next tutorial.